All right, you just pulled up to camp, you're starving, the sun's going down, and your gear is everywhere. Now, you're digging through bags just to find a spatula. Sound familiar? That's exactly why a good camping kitchen setup can totally change your outdoor activities. In this video, we're getting into 5 of the best camp kitchens for anyone who loves to cook outside. Updated price and purchase links are provided in the video description for your convenience. So, let's get into it. Alright, starting things off with one that really makes sense for overlanders and car campers who love keeping their setup ready to go. The Nomad Kitchen. This one mounts right into the back of your vehicle, and when you slide it out, what you get feels like a full-blown kitchen setup. There's a spot for a 2-burner stove, a durable bamboo cutting board, a deep stainless steel sink that's easy to clean, and even a drying rack right there with it. If you go for the faucet add-on, it's got that covered too, which makes washing dishes out at camp way easier. What's great is how much thought went into the build. The drawers are rated to hold up to 200 pounds, and the shell itself can take 400 on top. That kind of durability really matters when you're camping somewhere rough or hauling extra gear. It's got storage spots, hooks for hanging things like utensils or hand towels, and it fits into all kinds of cargo setups, whether it's on the driver or passenger side. So next up is the Sylvan Sport Dine-O Max, and this one's made for folks who like spreading out and really cooking at camp. Right when it's set up, you can tell it's all about space. You've got 2 big bamboo countertops. One's over 3 feet long, the other's just a bit shorter, and together, they give you almost 9 square feet of prep area. That's a lot of room when you're trying to chop, stir, season, and still have space for your coffee mug or a plate of food. Underneath, it's got these water-resistant storage cubbies with shelves and zippered doors. We think it's amazing for keeping your stuff clean and dry, especially if you're somewhere dusty or damp. Then up top, there's a full backsplash with organizers, spots to hang towels, even a place for a light so you're not cooking in the dark. Little things like a built-in bottle opener and trash bag holder just add to the convenience. Setting it up is also very quick. It folds out from this carry case and locks into place fast. There's even a steel windscreen that wraps around your stove area, which helps a ton when it's breezy or if you're cooking in an open spot. And cleanup is just as easy with a big collapsible sink built right in. That thing comes in handy more than you'd think, especially after breakfast when everything's sticky. Now, this one right here is for the campers who are tired of packing and unpacking every little thing for every single trip. The Chuckbox Camp Kitchen is built so you can keep all your cooking stuff ready to roll. It's like having your whole kitchen packed in one tough box. Just grab it, toss it in the back, and you're good to go. What makes it stand out is the way it's built. This thing is roto-molded and hand-finished in the States, so we can say it's pretty durable. Not just tough-looking, actually tough. It's got molded-in handles that don't break or get in the way, even when it's fully loaded. Inside, you've got 5 compartments to organize your gear, a pull-out drawer for small stuff like spices or sponges, and another one just for utensils. The top pops open and works as a sink or storage bin, which is smart when you're short on space. Now, here's one that just gets straight to the point. The GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station. This thing is for anyone who wants a perfect setup but doesn't want to mess with a ton of pieces or bags. It folds down flat, just a few inches thick, and pops open in seconds. That makes it easy to stash in the back seat, garage, or even in a closet when you're not using it. When it's opened up, it gives you plenty of working space. The main counter is made of aluminum and can handle up to 48 pounds. Strong enough for a camp stove or griddle, no problem. Then, it's got 4 fold-out side tables, and each of those can hold around 30 pounds. You've got spots for drinks, paper towels, even hooks to hang your cooking tools or trash bags. All those little features make it feel like it was designed by folks who actually camp. There's also a lower rack underneath that's perfect for stashing a cooler or big pot, and that helps keep things off the ground. It's one of those setups where everything's within arm's reach. And that's exactly what you want when you're trying to cook a meal without tripping over your gear. Lastly, this one's got a little bit of everything, and it's packed for the price. The Vivor Camping Kitchen Table with Sink. It's made for folks who want to cook full meals at camp without juggling a bunch of folding tables and tubs. Right when it's set up, you get a long aluminum main counter, 3 side tables for gear, food, or even extra burners, and a built-in sink that's actually useful. What makes it work is how well everything folds down. It all fits into this single carrying bag that's slim enough to stash in the trunk or carry out to the site without needing a wagon. Setup is quick, no tools or weird parts. Just stretch it out, snap a few parts into place, and it's ready to go. The sink's removable too, which is great if you want to use that space for something else or hook it up to a hose later on. Now the frame is mostly aluminum, but there's also some iron in the side tables, so it's got the strength to hold real cooking gear. The main surface supports up to 88 pounds, and the shelves hold around 48 pounds each, which is more than enough for most setups. It also comes with cup holders, utensil hooks, and a couple lantern or towel spots to keep everything close by. So that was our list of 5 best camping kitchen for outdoor chef. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.